Okay, Georgia, I'm going to go over and I'm going to go through and show you a couple of the other components that are in there that you guys really aren't using yet. So go ahead and log in. You have a couple things in here that I don't think you're utilizing. One is article attachments. Article attachments is pretty easy to use. It allows you to upload or allows you to load into the system PDF files and then have a link to access them. That way, if you want to, if you know, in a paragraph, you want people to click on a PDF file to download, this is an easy way to do it. If you just click New, select an article. You can select an article that you're going to be, you're going to be adding that PDF to. It's just a way to keep you actually organized in this component. So you would click on one, it would show up here, and then what you would do is browse for the file. And then you would load it up. And you would hit save. I'm going to cancel out of here. Then it would appear here in this list. You would see the article that it was attached to, and then you would see it listed here as these are non-published. So it'll show up as not published at first. Now the way that you would get the address to then be able to paste it into one of your articles is you would just click on this little PDF. Now it's going to give you a URL. This is the URL that you want to copy. This is a direct link to that article. You want to make sure that that article is then published for it to show. So before you do anything, make sure that it's published. Then you would just go into your article and you would, let's go into an article and I'll show you. We'll go into Welcome to our member area. I would highlight the wording and then I would click on my little link and then I would paste that link into the link URL. And then what you always want to do is target it for opening in a new window for a PDF. That way people aren't getting off of your main website. And then you'd hit insert and then you would hit save. And it would add that PDF to that page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to skip over Chronoforms. You don't need to use that. JCal Pro is the calendar, which is very easy to use. The categories I have in there, I have 3. You can add more categories just by clicking on new. Very, very easy. And you add events just by clicking on manage events and then adding a new one. Pretty simple. What you see is what you get. Editor again. Make sure you give it the title, select the category, give it the start time, and if it repeats or if it doesn't repeat. And then you would hit save. And you would notice you would notice it right here. Actually, before you do this, let me know, because I think I have a new JCal Pro to add into there, a more updated version. So don't do this yet. It will still be the same same categories, same event, same way to use it. It's just I'm going to update it with the most recent version. So wait to hear from me on that, but you'll use it the same. Joomla is something that I don't think anyone has really worked with. It was added in there for you guys to be able to have classes or online tutorials, and then people will get scored on them. I've not used this before, so I can't really train you a lot on it. There is a user manual if you click here. It seems pretty self-explanatory. You get to manage questions, manage the test, give different categories, and manage the users. So it seems to be pretty user-friendly. If you do have any questions on this, just email me, Georgia, and I can go through it as well and learn it as well. But it seems to be pretty self-explanatory. Let's see if there's anything else. MooFax. This one's fun. actually, you don't use the component here, but I just wanted to show you that's what it looks like. What you do, let's go to the article manager. One of these days. Okay. I think you guys have, do you have a fax on yours right now? I don't think you do have a frequently asked questions, but you can do it very easily. And the way you would do it is, let's make sure. Yeah, these are the facts that we have. And I don't think we have a fax on there. Nope, there is no drop down for that. So you do have some facts that are listed, and you just create a new article. When you want to create a new fax, you create a new article, and it will be under the section facts and general facts. Then when you want to actually show that, go to the menu manager, or the menus, main menu. You would do a new, and this time you would go to MUFAC. And what you would probably want is a particular category fact layout. And then it would allow you to select which category, which you had facts, general facts. And all you would do is click on that, give it a title, and then those facts would appear and list below. So that one's really a lot of fun, and that's probably something that you can definitely use on the site. Let's see, web links. You can add more web links to the site just by clicking on new and adding the web link there. You can categorize them if you want to. There is one category, or two, other resources and referral sites. So you can create another category if you wish, again, by just clicking on new. That should do it. If there are any other questions to anything else, just let me know.